Hello everyone, it's Özgün here. Today I like to show you several different VST plugins that are free and worth to download and use it on your projects. And before I start the video, I have a quick announcement. In 18th of this month, next Wednesday, I have a new song coming out on House District Records, so make sure to tune in my socials. Wednesday is my release day, and if you're ready, let's get into that tutorial. Okay, the first plugin I like to show you is Ruina. Ruina is a distortion plugin. It contains several different distortion modes that you can blend them with the original signal and come up with cool sound design ideas. So I hooked this plugin by just its design. It looks very good. You know, the colors and everything. And also you can just put it on the fire mode and everything is gonna be, you know, wobbly and fiery. The plugin itself, user interface looks very good. So how to use this plugin? As you see, there are different distortion modes and a blend knob in here. So you can choose how much dry signal, how much wet signal you want. Let's put it on 50-50. So this is how my kick sounds like. And with Ruina, we can just sound design it. So as you see, every variation is gonna give you a different outcome. I'm using this plugin mostly for my big room techno kicks, that's kind of big distorted kicks, and also the rumbles or the distorted bass lines. I'm using this plugin a lot recently, and I definitely can say this is worth to check it out. So this wouldn't my, on-to-go distortion plugin. It's not a replacement for VST or Camel Crusher or FL Blood Overdrive, but this has its own purpose for me, just to make just out of the box unique sounding kicks and bass lines. I just go with Ruina. Okay, the next plugin is Ring of Saturn. This plugin is a ring modulation plugin, and also it's capable of some stereo imaging as well. So let me show how it works. I put it on the bass channel. It works like that. The Saturn itself is like a dry wet knob. And the outer ring, the amount or the type of the ring modulation. And also we got one knob in here. This knob is just makes the sound more wide. User interface is very good again, and if you just click the dice, you can randomize all the parameters, and every time you randomize, it's gonna give you a different combination. So for example, you can use this, probably we can use this plugin on the chords, maybe not on the bass. Let's try that. Okay, let's go to the next plugin. This plugin is extremely good. You definitely need to download this one. So it's just dividing the spectrum to the 4 bands, and you can just put different distortion modules and also maybe some panning, maybe some, stereo width plugins. It has several different modules inside of every band, and you can just put 4 different modules to every band of your song. Let's, for example, put some asymmetric distortion to do just the high frequencies. And maybe we want to put this time just hard clip on the high mid frequencies. Let's solo that band. And maybe after clipping it, we want to put some stereo width, so just the high mid frequencies. We can do that too. Maybe I like to put some bit crash to the low frequencies. So as you see, right, you can do the sound design so easy with this plugin. Just one free plugin and it's capable of doing the multi-band processing, and every module is sounding top quality. And maybe, let's say, okay, some more width to the low frequencies, low mid frequencies. So yeah, guys, I'm kind of exaggerating the parameters just to show you how the plugin works. But probably I will use the stereo width on the master, but the distortion modules, you can just use it on anything, on any channel. This Prisma plugin, you definitely should download and try it yourself. Okay, our next plugin is from Tom Projects, which is called Basslane. With this plugin, you give a frequency that you want to widen up, and this can be your low end as well. This can capable to widen your basses as well. And yeah, you can just focus only one frequency and put it more wide. This what this plugin does. It's mostly used on basses. Maybe I can put it to the bass channel. You see, like the frequency is now on 300 Hz, and when I put the amount, it just instantly makes the 300 Hz very wide. So how to use that? As you see, bassline, let's see which is this. Yeah, our bassline is on C sharp, okay? Let's not touch the sub, but let's work on the second octave. So to figure out which frequency the second C sharp, let's go check it here. So it's like 69 Hertz, it's 70 Hertz, something like that. Let's put 69 Hertz in the plugin. And now I can just make the second octave more wide. Yeah, also you can use this plugin on other sounds as well. It only goes up to 2.5 kilohertz. That's why you cannot probably use this on to widen the high end of a lead, but you can use it on mostly bass lines and mid basses, that kind of sounds, to widen just certain frequency. And I definitely recommend you to get this plugin as well. And the last plugin for today's video is gonna be the Xpander. This plugin belongs to the Ümmet Özcan, so you know him from Allsoft, his company. He designed this plugin to again widen your sounds. So there are 3 different modules inside of the plugin, and also we got tons of presets, which is very good. So I put it on master just to exaggerate and see how it works. Let's choose one of the maybe stereoized presets in here. So the first module is gonna be widen your sound. You can just tweak the parameters in here. The second one is gonna add some unison sounds to make it a little bit detuned and widening it with that way. And an answer which can kind of change the color of your song, like adding low or high frequencies. Yeah, probably I will use it on maybe vocals, maybe just a synth, not on the full mix, obviously. But the three modules combined together can give a very wide result, and this is definitely worth to check. All of the plugins today I show you was free, so if you have more plugins addition to my list, please let me know in the comment section. So today that was it, guys. I hope you can apply these tricks to your own productions as well. See you on the next video. Bye bye.